I was like, I need to disconnect from the computer. I need to do something new. Cora's totally gonna frolic with me. It's gonna be great, I can't wait. Say hi.
You're gonna get friends sooner than you think.
Midday siesta.
Little dude. What's up, boy?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. Hi. They're an individual. They want to be loved. They don't want to be treated like property. But I want to make sure that we're doing everything right, because honestly, the number one thing is animal care. Yippee! If my grandma was still around, she'd be so happy. Enough frolicking for one day. Right, Cora? Right.